More than 2,000 years ago, long before telescopes, satellites, or modern astronomy, one Greek scientist looked up at the sky and saw something that nobody else dared to believe. His name was Aristarchus of Samos, born around 310 BC, a true visionary who changed how we understand the universe. At that time, almost everyone believed the Earth was the center of the universe. The stars, the sun, and the moon were thought to move around us in perfect circles. It seemed obvious, after all, when we look up, everything appears to rise and set around Earth. But Aristarchus wasn't satisfied with appearances. He wanted the truth. Using careful observation, deep logic, and mathematics, Aristarchus developed an idea so bold that even other philosophers called it madness. He proposed that the sun, not the Earth, was at the center of the known universe, and that the Earth moved around it once every year, while rotating on its axis every day. This was the birth of the heliocentric theory, the idea that the sun is at the center. He also tried to measure the distance between the Earth, the moon, and the sun, using geometry and shadows during eclipses. With nothing but the human eye and pure mathematics, he estimated that the sun was much larger than the Earth, and that the stars were even farther away. From this, he concluded that the Earth must be orbiting the sun, not the other way around. His discoveries were revolutionary, but in ancient Greece, few believed him. Philosophers like Aristotle and Ptolemy insisted that the Earth stood still, and their influence lasted for more than 1,500 years. For centuries, Aristarchus's ideas were forgotten, buried under old beliefs. But history remembered his spark. In the 16th century, a Polish scientist named Nicolaus Copernicus rediscovered Aristarchus's writings and gave credit to him. Copernicus said that Aristarchus was the first to imagine a universe centered on the sun. Without Aristarchus, the Copernican revolution, and later discoveries by Galileo, Kepler, and Newton, might never have happened. Even though Aristarchus lived in a time when most people relied on myths to explain the sky, he dared to trust logic over tradition and observation over belief. He saw beyond what anyone else could imagine, a true scientist ahead of his time. Today, Aristarchus is remembered as the first astronomer to propose the solar system as we know it. His courage to question what everyone else accepted reminds us that science begins with curiosity, and that one brave idea can change the world. So next time you look at the sun rising in the morning, remember the man who first realized that we're the ones moving, not the sun. Sun.